મમ્મી
બાકી તારો કેવો હતો ના પેલું આપણું 6 એકર લંબા સ્ટ્રીટ ઉપર નીચે તેની સ્ટાઇલ ના
ફાર્મા કંપની
મળેલો છોકરો એ બન જ જતો હતો એ એક્સચેન્જરમાં હતો એ યુએસથી આવેલો હ્યુસ્ટનથી
એનો ઓરિજિનલી રાજકોટનો
તું બરોડા જાય ને
બહુ
શિવાની
એક્સપેન્સિવ
હા
તો અંકલેશ્વર પછી આખો ટર્ન આવે તો તને આખી ટ્રેન
વેલકમ ટુ લ્યુઝન We are in Luzon. This is how the trains are. These are double deckers, and if you are going towards Luzon from Zurich, do try to sit on the left hand side. That's a pro tip. That's guys, welcome to Luzon. And अब हम चले towards our next stop. If I know it right, it's Martinhof. वहाँ पे हमारी होटल है. So I'm going to update you with that soon. Yep.
મસ્ત જગ્યા છે આ
Guys, be ready to walk a lot, okay? So pack likewise. ये देखो गर्म है अभी, summers है of course, but you see the view, it's an incline. दिखता नहीं होगा वीडियो में. We are in Martinhof and yay! The excitement is kicking in. Okay, look at that. If that's not beautiful, I don't know what else is. प्यारा प्यारा है सब यहाँ पे. So we are staying at the Holiday Inn Express, and as you may know, these are Luzon festival dates. Let me take you further. So we are in this reception area of Holiday Inn in Martinhof. So see, this is their leisure area. Looks like some workstation, and all of this overlooks a beautiful view. See this is the view. Sundar hai na? And then they have this reception place, and then cafe and restaurant. Very pretty. This is the hotel. So once you have the key, you have the restroom. It's in use right now. You have this, ironing and okay, hair dryer. यहाँ पे कुछ कपड़े लटकाने के लिए. This is for your bag. बिन ये क्या है? बिन है कि बैठने के लिए? Let's check. Oh, it's to sit. Fancy. Okay. Then you come here. You have a chair. Then you have a beautiful bed to yourself. Then you have. So funny thing is, यहाँ पे पानी is like amrit. So even if you are like staying for 2 days, they'll only give you this one bottle for the whole room. Okay, for 1 day. And then tomorrow they won't give you a refill. That's what they straight up told us. Because you can apparently drink tap water. And ये वही है basic. What is this? Milk, I think, creamer. Anyways, we have TV. Now let's get to the main deal. Ooh. So we have this Mercedes-Benz showroom. So pretty. Right? So ये है हमारा room in Martinhof, Luzon, Switzerland. This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you the restroom in a bit, but that's that. So we checked in, took some nap, freshened up, and the sun is still up and high because it's summer here. With their coffee, which is very, very, very strong. Check this out. See, the sun is still so up. Grateful. So our excursion begins finally, and we are headed to Luzon to look at the Chapel Bridge. इनिशियल प्लान वाज कि हम यहीं घूमेंगे, बट दैट्स चेंज्ड. Chapel Bridge. This is crazy. So we are at the Chapel Bridge. Look at the sun, so bright. And then we have this whole street. Look at that. This is the prettiest sunlight. Look at it. Look at that. Such a happening street. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Chapel Bridge it is. Wow. I love it. Look at those mountains. Every view is worth it, guys. Every angle is worth it. That mountain is so pretty, right? Wow. Especially these flowers wale balcony. It's so pretty. Look at that. And look at the water. It's so clear. See? So look at the vibe of this place. Oh wow, look at that mountain. So pretty. Hi cutie. This is so nice, and I love the fact that how they dine upstairs, and then all the seating arrangements, and then we head to the bridge. Wow, if this is not it, what else is, right? यहाँ पे structures ही oh man, this is so pretty. Okay guys, look at it. So pretty. वहीं से चल के आए ना अभी हम, वहाँ आगे एक और भी ब्रिज है. The best part is the sun, यार. Sun is the hero. Look at these ducks.
I already paid you your $1 when I got you your ice cream.
So we are entering the Chapel Bridge. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Right, let's go. यहाँ पे ऊपर they have made a couple of things. I don't know what does it stand for, but that's that. Okay. Wow. Look at this pretty little window of beauty. That's beautiful. Hi. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. This is what it is like.
Like, share and subscribe my daughter's channel.
Yeah, thank you. So one tip is that if you want to eat here, okay, sit down at a place before 9 because 9 के बाद these people close out additional orders. So हम लोग मस्त घूम chill विल करके बैठने की सोच रहे थे, but the guy is like no, it's closed. So no more tables are they sitting. That's that. But beautiful place. Amazing. Nothing about this place is overhyped or something. It has a vibe in itself, and you should try and be here if you are around. So yeah. Yeah. This is what it looks like at night. Chalo, let's go. On our way back to the hotel. That's McDonald's. They have it huge here. So let's go. McDonald's it is. દાડા તમારો છે મેક વેજી.
આઈસ્ક્રીમ જેનો પહેલા લીધો હતો.
આ નો બેકન વાળું આ મેક રેલેટ ચિકન. Good morning. It is day 2 and we're already out for breakfast. How beautiful is this outdoor setup. And here they have all the buffet options. So I'm gonna dig in some food. We don't have much time and I'll update you guys later. See how you cut your own bread. And you get what you need. And I love the most is this pancake machine. So it's going to prep 2 pancakes for you. And then you have all these bits. Hey there guys, so that was it for the day 2. So day 2 essentially वही था, हम जो दिन पहुँचे वही था. So trip की start से it was day 2 but in Switzerland it was day 1 and हम काफ़ी थक गए थे but हमने थोड़ी late evening decide किया let's go to the Chapel Bridge and I'm so happy that we did because after that itinerary although काफ़ी brief थी, it there's a lot of walking and it had gotten exhausting the next day. So I'm glad we stepped out the first day itself there and we saw that bridge and we spent like quite a good amount of time chilling, relaxing. You saw in the video, right? So definitely not overhyped. Just go at the right time, dine there, sit there, just soak the moment in. And it's amazing. But the next series, the next video of the series is going to be even more amazing. I'm going to show you some experiences that are just next level. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to my channel.